The Lord told me that you are torn between work and ministry. Do you work for somebody or you work for yourself?
No, I work for a university.
The Spirit of the Lord is ministering to me that is taking you through a transition very soon, where you shall consult, but you shall not be a permanent worker. Amen. To give more time to the ministry. Because that thing that God has brought you into and has called you into is for generations. And the ministry that he has called you for is to cut through the elites. And for those who didn't trust God because of their artificial wisdom. But the Lord is going to give you a land to occupy and a place to take. Because of how good your heart is, God will compensate you. Lift up your two hands, sir. He's going to be a kingdom mover.